Good evening and welcome to NYNJPA Weather, your weather source for the Northern Mid-Atlantic. I'm meteorologist Stephen DiMartino. This is the water vapor as of 5 p.m. today, and I want to use this because it's showing a perfect example of a very strong upper level disturbance that is moving through the eastern Great Lakes and tracking towards the Northern Mid-Atlantic. Now what we have in place is a boundary, a stationary front so to speak, that has been to the north of the Northern Mid-Atlantic and much of the New York City and Philadelphia metropolitan area. That has allowed us to warm up a great deal with temperatures in the 70s and 80s over many locations. In fact, much of southern and central New Jersey was in the lower 80s, which is slightly warmer than what was expected. Now, the key thing to remember here is that this disturbance is causing a great amount of lifting and destabilizing the atmosphere earlier on this afternoon, and those showers and thunderstorms are now tracking east towards the Northern Mid-Atlantic. So what I'm expecting is strong to severe thunderstorms to continue to develop and impact much of northeastern Pennsylvania, but as these thunderstorms move east and as the sun sets, the atmosphere will become more stable. And as a result, you'll get rainfall that is more of a stratiform nature. In other words, heavy, widespread, but not exactly a severe thunderstorm threat. Watch out for some strong winds though in this heavy downpours, because some of the upper level winds associated with this disturbance will be able to mix down towards the surface and cause some wind damage. So just use caution with that. Also, because the atmosphere is so cold aloft, there's also going to be a threat for significant frequent lightning, especially over northeastern Pennsylvania and the Hudson Valley through at least 8 p.m. Now there's a severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 10 p.m., but I think the severe threat will pretty much be over by 8. So what's going on throughout the rest of the country? Well, it looks like we have a major storm on the way as well. Let's take a look. Throughout the rest of the nation at about the same time, we also have a very strong upper level low that is over the plains and another strong disturbance that is moving through the Pacific Northwest. The upper level low over the plains is going to minor out or weaken, and the reason why is because this disturbance will be moving between a strong ridge that's over the southeast and a strong upper level low over eastern Canada. Get used to this setup. We're going to see quite a bit over the next couple of months. But this disturbance is going to weaken and continue to produce a chance for scattered showers throughout the region for Tuesday evening, Wednesday, and into Thursday. The showers will be really scattered, isolated in nature, not really that much of a big impact, so I wouldn't worry about it all that much, but just keep an eye out there for an isolated or scattered shower every so often, especially in the afternoons. The major impact, though, that I'm expecting later on in the week is a strong disturbance that is moving through the Gulf of Alaska right now and diving through the Pacific Northwest. This disturbance will eventually drive towards the Ohio Valley, cut off into a strong upper level low, and produce a strong area low pressure off the New Jersey coast. Now, the pattern associated with this storm is rather progressive, so there is a chance that this storm could develop and kick out to the east much faster than what's currently expected. However, most model guidance right now is producing a storm that's going to be capable of producing heavy rainfall and strong winds, along with coastal flooding. So use some caution for Friday. It looks like it's going to be a rather nasty day, especially along the New Jersey coast and up through Long Island and Connecticut. Thank you for choosing NYNJPA Weather as your weather source for the Northern Mid-Atlantic. I'm meteorologist Stephen DiMartino. Have a great evening.